Hey, welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Cortland Economics Report. I'm Al Cortland. Appreciate you joining me. Wednesday, February 20th. This program is being produced exclusively for my friends at Kitco. I've got Rick Ackerman on the line with me. Rick is a regular contributor to our particular show, and consequently, he's a regular contributor to the Kitco audio that we do. Rick, interesting day in the metals markets today. Gold was up almost $13 an ounce, $12.70 as we're recording. On the ask side, $16.0250 for gold. Silver up $1.11, $40.12. Boy, I have a colleague who thought silver was just going to absolutely ratchet down to the $20 level. That is not happening. In terms of the major indices, in spite of the comment that was made about or I should say in spite of the press that was made regarding the potential compromise here on the budget, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the NASDAQ both went down. The U.S. dollar went down below 75 actually on the index. What do you make of all of this? I mean, there's some things that are happening here that are, number one, I think somewhat going against what I would consider to be fundamental grains. Let's talk about precious metals. What do you think?
Well, first, thanks for having me on the show, Al, and I'm glad you asked. I've spent the last couple of commentaries in Rick's Picks just pointing out a few things to my subscribers to help them be a little more patient and tolerant of the moves this market is making. The commentary itself said that gold and silver are both swinging to the extremes, and at the lows, based on my technical numbers, which I call hidden pivots, they're taking things right to the limit with every swing. And I think what this reflects is simply the fact that the bullish case is so simple here. If you look at the big picture, and there are a couple good gurus out there, if you're feeling kind of despairing, you check in with Sinclair or somebody like that, because they never lose sight of the ball. But the big picture is so bullish, and we've got this blowout going on globally of paper money, so that the picture to me is almost a clear horizon for uptrending gold and silver.
Yeah.
So the problem is when everybody knows that and they get the bright idea that all they've got to do is buy gold and silver at any time and everything will be all right, you can bet that as a trading proposition, bullion is going to challenge that easy path to riches. So that's what we're seeing, really, is we're seeing the wild swings that reflect the fact that commodities have to take evasive maneuvers to avoid making everybody rich just because they're doing the obvious thing.
Yeah, I would agree with that 1,000%. I think that's a very good description as to what's going on right now. Rick Ackerman, newsletter writer, has a great letter called Rick's Picks, helping me out today. Rick, thank you so much. Big Al's going to be back with you tomorrow.